everyone. Namaste everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. So,
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So, my name is Vallari Joshi, and I am here to present you for a workshop. The name of the workshop is Brain Teasing Workshop. Okay. So, what is brain teasing? Have you ever think about that computer is very fast or your brain is very fast? Give me an answer in chat box.
Computer.
Computer is faster. Okay. So brain is a faster than computer. Who made computer? Human being only made computer, yes? But if we do,
My brain is fast.
yes, if we do our exercise of our brain, so then we can make our brain also very fast. Yes?
Yes.
So what exercise can we do to make our brain very, very fast? Anyone?
Brain teasers. Ma'am,
Yes, brain teaser. But what comes in brain teaser?
Riddles. Sudoku.
Yes, Sudoku, riddles, yes.
Then ma'am, puzzles. Quiz. Puzzles.
Quiz, yes. Okay.
Blocks and closer puzzles.
Yes, puzzles. Many types of puzzles, different knowledge. Okay. So everything comes in the which exercise our brain.
Brain will get fast.
Yeah. So
Ma'am, Ranvita.
brain is the only fast that. So how many types of brain are there? How many?
Ma'am, two. Ma'am, two.
Yes.
Light brain.
There are two types of brain.
Two types of brain.
And
Ma'am, right brain and left brain.
so in the right brain, when we do any creative things, when we listen music, when we learn music, when we do something art, craft, so that comes in right brain. So that is the exercise of our right brain. Okay. And when we do maths, when we learn different languages like English, Spanish, French, Chinese, when we vision something, like when we see something and analyze something, so in that the left brain will work. Yes.
Maths,
So
language,
today we are going to
literacy,
do
people to
some
left
brain
brain
exercises. Are you ready for that?
Thinking, coloring, music, emotions,
Okay.
angry.
Ma'am, that is a noise
Very
from
good,
somebody's
very
end.
good. So we are going to do a brain exercise, our right brain, left brain, everything. Okay. So I'm starting my first quiz with everyone. This is Who Am I riddle.
Okay.
It is what you have to do.
Riddles.
You have to find out the object, person, animal, thing, anything which I will give you some clue for that. So you have to find out the objects. Okay. This is the Who Am I riddle.
You are a riddle and you have to find that object.
Okay. So first everyone
Ma'am,
mute
there is
yourself.
some.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Everyone.
there was some noise from.
Yeah. Everyone mute yourself. Yes. Thank you. Now we are going to start Who Am I puzzle. So my first puzzle is I am a big animal. I live in the jungle. And I am the king of the animal. So you have to write in the chat box.
Lion.
Yes. Everyone is correct. It's a lion. So lion lives in the jungle and he is the king of our jungle. Yes? And king of
Yes.
the animal. Who can do a sound of lion? Oh my god.
Roar. Ma'am, roar.
Lion roars.
Farmer, ma'am. Farmer.
Yes. So my next question is comes here. I have 4 stomachs. Who can have 4 stomachs? Can you ever listen about I have 4 stomachs? Give me answer in chat box, everyone.
We have one stomach.
We have 1 stomach, but who is having 4 stomachs? And who is living?
Tractor.
Tractor, but tractor live in a field, but tractor is having 4 stomachs? No, tractor is not having 4 stomachs.
Cow.
So my next clue is I like to chew grass. Okay, so most of you are saying cow. I can see. So can you imagine cow is having 4 stomachs? Can you imagine that?
Yes.
How many stomachs we have?
One.
One only, yes. How cow will like do with 4 stomachs? Okay. Now my next is okay.
Cow has 4 stomachs.
Yes, cow is having 4 stomachs. Okay. Now my next question is I consist of number of pages bound together and the pages are serially numbered.
Book and
So, who am I? Okay, let's answer it. Very good, very good. I can see most of you are giving a correct answer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes. So it's a book. Now my next question of who am I? So again it's a tricky question. I am very fast. Okay. I eat hay. Can anyone?
Ox or bull? Cheetah.
Oh, someone is saying horse, someone is saying bull.
Horse.
My third is I live in stable.
Horse.
Yeah, it's a horse. Okay, so this is a horse. So how horse? What is the sound of horse? Can you do some sounds of horse? How we do? How we do? Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, everyone needs water. Yes? Okay. Now my next question is I write on a paper. I contain ink. I have a point from the ink flows.
Ma'am, pen.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
So there are any type of pen. It may be gel pen, it may be ink pen.
It's ink pen. Ink pen. Ink pen. It's ink
Yes.
pen.
It's an ink pen. But in the gel pen also, there is a gel type ink inside it, and that is also flow outside. Okay, when that gel link will not there,
Ma'am,
it will not work.
Ma'am, only ink pen is different from other pens.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Now my next question is, I am having face,
Ma'am, clock.
but no legs.
Clock.
So what is that?
Clock.
I am write down. I am checking the answers in the chat box. I am having face, 2 hands, but no legs.
Clock.
Okay.
Clock.
Yes, yes. So the answer is clock. Yes?
Clock.
Very good, very good. So this is some type of who am I puzzles. Okay. So this is an example of who am I puzzle. So now only who am I puzzle will not work. We have to do other types of puzzles also. So spot the difference. What is the spot the difference?
Ma'am,
In this,
There will be 2 pictures and we have to spot the
there
difference.
are 2 pictures and we have to check the difference between the 2 pictures. Okay, so we have to do a difference. Don't write anything on the screen.
Everybody.
Don't write. Okay, Tisha, don't write it. Yes. So, spot the difference. So, with spot the difference, with the help of which organ we do it? Spot the difference.
I, ma'am.
There's lots of nice. Everyone mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself. Do you know that when we see something, our brain will get connected with that, and then we can check that what is there going on. Okay. So if there is a day and night, our eyes see that it's a day, and that it connects to the brain, and it says that it's a day and it's a night. Okay. So this is the spot the difference. This is a SpongeBob. Okay. So here are 3 differences in the SpongeBob. Everyone has to write in the chat box. Okay. So there are 3 differences in the SpongeBob character. I am checking it. I am giving a minute so everyone can think and give me an answer. Yes, Yash, good. Niharika, very good. Aishwarya, good. Prastuti, good. Yes, Samaira, good. Nihar, Sachi. Okay. Arna. Reddy, Aishwarya. I'm checking all the answers. So there are, most of you have given the correct answer. So let's check that your answer is correct or not. So my first difference is the tomato ketchup bottle. Okay. My next difference is the fruit on the plate. Okay. And my next difference is the symbol of SpongeBob head. Okay, so these are the 3 differences on this image. Okay, everyone? Good? Yes. Now the next one. Okay, so here are 5 differences. Here are 5 differences. You have to show me. You have to write it down. 5 differences in both of the images. There is a rain. The children are playing together with the dog. They are having umbrellas. They are having raincoats, and they are playing too much. So you have to now find out the 5 differences of these images. Okay. So I think everyone has recognized the 5 differences here.
And there are 6 differences in this.
6 differences. Okay, let me check. First, I will show you 5 differences and then just let me know the 6th one. Okay? Okay. The first difference is the dog, the direction of the dog. The direction of mouth of the dog is the right side and other one is different side. Okay?
Yes.
Other is
The boy's eyes.
umbrella. Okay?
Ma'am, that is the boy's eye and that is the button near the umbrella.
Boy eye in the sitting in the bucket.
Ma'am, the girl's raincoat's white strip.
Girl ribbon is also there. Okay.
Ma'am, the puddles of umbrella.
Yes. Next one is umbrella. Colors of umbrella.
Yeah, ma'am, you
Puddle
did
is also there. Puddle is also there.
And the green water is also there. Ma'am, even the hair of the boy. The hair of the boy. With water under the girl's bucket. Without the water.
Okay. I can't hear anyone one by one. Mute yourself. And then
Ma'am, in the girl's bucket there is water and another.
Raise hands, guys. Raise hands,
Yes.
please.
Yes. Raise hand. Just start. Okay. Yes, Aisas.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Aisas.
Ma'am, Pachi.
We can't listen you, Aisas. Okay, Krisha.
Ma'am, raincoat stripe.
Okay, the stripe of raincoat. Yes. The more is there then. Yes, very good. Yes, Prisha.
Ma'am, the hair of the blue boy and the bucket, the water in the bucket where the yellow ball is.
Water, I was saying that the water in the bucket.
Oh, well done, everyone. So there are more than 5, but you have to analyze minimum 5. Okay.
Ma'am, can I say? Sachi.
Red. Mute yourself again. Otherwise, I will have to not to give you permission, please. Okay, so this is a penguin island, and in the penguin, you have to spot the difference.
Ma'am, we can do it on chat. Chat is disabled.
That's okay. Raise one by one.
Ma'am, the leg of the penguin.
The color of the leg.
The glacier.
Ma'am, the candy.
The mountain.
Candy on the horse.
The mountain.
The penguin. And the toffee.
Yes.
The toffee and the hole. The size of the hole. The size of the hole.
The mountain.
Size of the hole.
Mute everyone. Yes. Now I'll show you the
Ma'am,
first
the
difference
mountain.
is the knot on the
Tail. The fish. Ma'am, even the tail is one difference.
tail is the
Yeah, ma'am,
hair of the leg.
Ma'am,
There is a hole in
the mountain.
and there is a small one.
Mountain color is
One is the tail of the penguin. So who has
Other one
all
is
the differences?
glacier. Ma'am, the mountain.
The iceberg.
The mountain.
The mountain.
Yes. And the mountain. Okay. So These are the 5 differences of the penguin. Understood? Okay. So now mute yourself. Again going to the different puzzle. This is a logical thinking puzzle. Now here you have to use chat box or you have to mute yourself. I will ask one by one. Okay, I will give you chance one by one. So logical thinking is you have to use your brain. Which brain but here? So this is a word problem. There is in the grid, there is some letters are coming and you have to make some letters, some words with the help of that letters. So like, I'll give you one example. So I have a letter nest with me. Now you have to find out the letter words with the help of these letters. Okay, one by one. Prisha found it. Okay, Prisha, unmute.
Ma'am, nest.
Yes, I have done. You have to.
Ma'am, love.
Okay. Yes, Nihan.
Ma'am, nest. Set.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, ten set. Ten set nest.
Okay, one by one, I have to give everyone chance.
Pinterest.
Ayush. Yes, Ayush. Okay. Anyone else?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Yes. Who? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, Miyavika.
What is your name?
Unlearn.
Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, love.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay. So you have to analyze your words.
Ma'am, 10.
Oh, very good.
Trap.
Ma'am, rest.
Ma'am, and rights.
Mhm.
Trap. Ma'am, set. Ma'am, eat. Traps.
Yes, you have to find there are many words which we can create with the help of this letter.
Lawn. Pinterest. Ten and Pinterest. Ma'am,
There is a loan, there is a nest,
Pinterest.
Water.
Lawn.
Water is there? No, water is not there. Who said water?
Stripes. Nest. Ten set.
Okay, this is set.
Still.
There is a 2 also, TO2.
Ma'am, L-O-V-E love.
LOVE, love, yes.
Ma'am, letter.
User,
T-R-U-E, true.
USER, user. Okay, so this is like you have to find out the
T-U-R-N.
with the help of letters and you have to make a point with that. Okay, so how many
Ma'am,
of you
sun.
have, how many of you have find out more than 5 words?
Mommy.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, well done.
Ma'am,
Okay.
loan.
Now the next is everyone mute yourself. Next is what do this picture have in common?
They all are red.
Color.
They all are red. They all are red.
They are all red color.
Yes, most of you are very correct. They are all red in color. Okay. Now give me an answer. Which month has 28 days?
February.
All the months.
Some say February. Some say
All the months.
Okay.
All the months. Ma'am, all the months.
Okay. Yes. Mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself. So the correct answer is all the months. So all the months is having 28 days. Yes, on February is having only 28, but all the months is having 28. Yes. February is having 28, but all months is also having 28 days. Okay. Now, which word in the dictionary spelled wrong?
Wrong. All. Wrong. Wrong, ma'am.
Okay. So most of you have already know. So this is some type of logical thinking puzzles. Now you have to find me. Something is hidden inside it and you have to find something. Okay. So I am coming to the find me question. So there is a mouse in this mushroom garden. Mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself. Mute. Now you don't have to tell me. I will show you where it is. But analyze for a second. Mute. So you have to find out a mouse in the mushroom garden. So this is a mushroom garden. I saw it. Hidden inside it. Yeah. So whoever found it, raise hand. Whoever found this, raise hand.
Ma'am, I found it.
Yes. Very good.
Behind the orange mushroom.
So 10 of you all has find the 11 of you all find the answer. Okay. Still the remaining students are there who is finding.
Ma'am,
Okay.
orange. It's behind the orange mushroom.
Wait for other kids also. Okay. Yes. So
Behind
are
the
you
orange
excited
mushroom.
that you got it or not got it? So this is here. Yes. Mouse is here. If your answer is correct, well done everyone. Clap to everyone. Okay. Now my next question. This is a 3.
Ma'am, I found
3, great. And you have to find out the 8. You have to raise hands only. That's it.
Ma'am, in last second.
You have to raise hands.
There is
Let's other try. You have to raise hands. So there is an 8 hiding there. 8 in this find me puzzle.
Down from
Yes, 14 of you have found it.
Second number.
Very good. Okay, so the answer is, mute yourself everyone. Answer is here. Okay. Now my next question. This is some puzzles, maths puzzle. Okay. This is a puzzle. In this you have to count the fish. You have to count the fish and raise the hand. Okay, Nihar has found it, Prisha found it, Sparsh found it. Yes, I am giving permission. Everyone counted. So unmute and give me a nine fish in the pond.
9 fish.
Yes. Yes, there are 9 fishes in the pond. Now here there is a cake stand and you have to count the cookies.
Ma'am, 8.
8. Someone is saying 8. Can you please count again?
Ma'am, there are
Yes, the answer is correct. The cookies are 8. Now, this is a triangle. It's a kite.
Ma'am, 10
different triangles. You have to find out. Mute yourself. Mute everyone. Mute.
10 of triangles.
Everyone mute.
Ma'am, 10.
Everyone mute and then give me answer.
14.
I'm giving you time. Wait.
11.
Everyone calculate it.
11. 11.
Yes. So now I'm coming to the answer. So So there are 14 triangles here. So who has found 14? Who has found 14 triangles here?
Me, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So I'll show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, one big one, 12, one big one, 13, one big one. Or I have count wrong or what? Yes, 13 and this one 14. So there are 14 triangles in this kite. Okay. Now the next one. Now you have to find out in this how many triangles are there again.
Ma'am, 7 triangles. 11.
Okay. Okay, there are more than 11 triangles. There are more than 11 triangles.
13.
Okay, I will show you what is that. So there are 13 triangles. Okay. So I'll show you how it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Big triangle is 7. This big triangle is 8. This big triangle is 9. Now 10. Okay. After that you have to give 11. Okay. And then where it goes. This also done. 12. And the next one is this 13. Okay. So there are 13 triangles in this. There are 13 triangles in this. Okay. Now the next thing. How many numbers do you see here?
Ma'am, 3.
Okay.
All the numbers 1 to 9. Ma'am, 6, 8, 2, 1 to 9. 4 and 1. 6, 1 to 6, 8, 7, 8, 9. 1 to 9 numbers. 9 answers.
Okay. Who is saying 5 numbers? Who is saying 5 numbers are there?
Ma'am, it is 1 to 8 numbers. 7 numbers. 3 numbers.
So there are 9 numbers. 9 numbers. I'll show you how it is. Oh my God. Wait.
6, 7, 8.
So there is a 6. First we will start from 1.
9,
1, 2,
4,
3, 4, 5. Where is 5?
5.
So this is like 8. The 8th thing is half of 5. Okay. If we will take this side and this side together, so this is 5. 6, 7 is within 1.
Ma'am,
And 9 is with half bottom 9. Okay. So like this, they are all 1 to 9 numbers.
No fire.
Can you find any mistake in this picture? This is an image. Can you find any mistake?
I can find. Should be no dark green. No dark green. No dark green.
Ma'am, there are 2 those.
Yes, I can
Ma'am,
find
no
mistake.
dark green.
I can find mistakes.
Okay, someone is saying the color difference. Okay, mute yourself. Okay, mute everyone, mute everyone.
Mistake is the mistake.
Yes, mute everyone. So,
Mistake is the mistake.
okay. So there are, which mistake you found? Prisha is saying? Yes, Prisha?
Yeah.
There are two does.
Okay. What about anyone else? Any other difference?
Ma'am, there
Any
should be
other
no
wrong
dark
thing?
green.
There
No
are
dark green. Okay. This is an
Ma'am,
image.
the word mistake.
There are two the.
Yes, there are two the. So the mistake in this image is to the. Understood? Have we ever like say, can you find the mistake? No, na? You have to say only one time. Yes? Okay.
मेरा नेट है ना.
So I have one game for you all at the end of the session. It is all about the brain teasing exercise. Okay. So we did lots of brain teasing exercise. It's like your brain is going to be like very heavy now. Yes.
नहीं इसमें. Yes.
बहुत सारा एक्सरसाइज कर लिया है, अब ब्रेन लगा है, हेडेक हो रहा है. No, no, yes. We have to do lots of brain exercise, like our scientists, our doctors. Everyone do very much brain exercise and go to up that level. The brain exercise make us strong, make us positive, make us healthy in terms of brain. Okay, so everyone, I want you all have one notebook with you. Keep one notebook with you, and you have to do. Keep everyone notebook with you. And what you have to do now? You have to balance this.
Answer. Okay.
Okay. So not like only that only. You have to balance it and you have to dance. Okay. So I am playing a song for you. You have to dance. Balancing. You can hear the sound? You have to make hands out, down, and you have to move it. Move yourself. So this is also you are handling your brain with the verb. And you are moving your body also. Yes, most of you can do it. Yes. Can anyone do roll up also like this?
One.
Yes, everyone. Very good.
5.
Yes, Anay. Stand up.
10. Honey was focused.
Very good, very good.
एवढंच ते थोडं बघ.
Can you jump? Can you jump? Can you jump? Can you jump? Say, I can jump. Okay.
Oh, man was.
So this is also a type of brain exercise, isn't it? Yes? Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
This is also a type of brain exercise. Why? Anyone can give me answer.
Because it controls our body. It controls our body and the brain controls our body. So it's
Very good. When we do a balancing thing, then it controls our body and it's connected with the brain and simultaneously they work together. Yes? So that's why this is also a brain exercise. Okay, I am giving you one tongue twister. Okay, tongue twister. So the tongue twister is
The snowman ball.
cake. Okay, you have to one by one. I can't give you all of you chance. I will give you some of you two chance to have a tongue twister. So first unmute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself. Sorry, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Everyone, mute yourself. Mute everyone. Yes. So now my tongue twister is cupcake. You have to do like this. Cupcake, 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 cupcake. If you will not follow this proper word, if you will not do the proper word, so it means you out. Okay, so raise your hands. Some of you, I will give you chance. Okay, so I will give chance to Prastuti. Yes, Prastuti, you can unmute yourself. Wait 1 minute. Where is Prastuti? Okay. Yes, Prastuti. Speak aloud.
Cupcake, 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 cupcake,
Fast.
cupcake, 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 cupcake,
Oh, out. You go slow. You have to go fast. Cupcake, 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 like that. Okay. So your tongue will go fall down and it will get twist and you will not able to speak very clear. Okay. Now my chance to Nihar. Yes.
Yes. Cupcake, cupcake, cupcake.
Oh, out in the second line only out. Okay, mute yourself. Now I will give chance. Who is going to? Yes, Sokhya, very Sokhya. Again, give me a hands up. Yes, Sokhya. And
cupcake, 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 cupcake.
oh, out. Okay. So one more last. Who is going to do now? Okay, raise your hands. There are lots of. Okay, I will give you Prisha chance. 1 minute, Prisha. Yes.
Niche.
Yes.
Cupcake,
Out. Okay. So like this, there are lots of things to do for exercise our brain. So thank you very much everyone to come here. Hope we will meet again. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.